Today is my third withdrawal from Uzur International Company. This process will take or complete in just 2 minutes. Okay, this is my account link, Uzur International Company. Okay, just copy this and open Chrome. Okay, just paste here. Okay, this is a registration link, but I have already registered. Just click here. This is my user ID and password. Login. Okay, as you are seeing, my account wallet balance is what? 33.2. Okay, just click here. Okay, withdraw wallet, account wallet. Click here. Okay, then select this option. Default, this is selected. Okay, withdraw only. This option select and click here. Okay, when I am applying 33, it will not work. Amount must be multiples of 10. Okay, when I click here, it will not work. It means that 10, 20 or 30. Okay, when I type here $30, it will work properly. As you see here, and today is withdrawal day, 16th November. Okay, every month of 1st and 16th you can withdraw in this company. Today is withdrawal day and I am withdrawing $30. Just click here. Okay, withdrawal will be successfully completed. Amount withdraw successfully completed. Okay, as you see here, total I am withdrawing $30 and $3 transaction fee deduction. Okay, I will receive $27 into my perfect money account, and this will pending and date. Okay, yes, as you see here, it takes some time. Already this is what pending, now it is confirmed. It means that withdrawal successfully will completed. It will be confirmed $27 as you see here. Okay, date, and it takes some time. Okay, but it will be confirmed. Okay, it takes approximately 1 hour, yeah, 1 or half hour, yeah, 2 hours approximately, but it will be confirmed. Now I am checking my perfect money account. Okay, I have already perfect money account. Just click here to log in. Okay, just click here to log in, and this is my member ID, password. Just I am typing this image for verification. 282737. Okay, check your email, your Gmail account. Okay, just refresh it. Okay, this is okay, pin code of Perfect Money. Open it, click here and copy this. Just copy here, click here, just click here, paste, continue, click here to continue. Okay, this code again send. Okay, again refresh it, Perfect Money, and again type here this image. Okay, click here, authorize. Okay, as you see here, payment received 27 USD from account to account, batch ID 347905383. $27 I have received. Okay, in this way, okay, you will confirm your payment and will received. Okay, here is also, you can see here date, okay, and time, received payment USD from account, and memo Wazur International Company. Okay, Wazur International Company, I have received $27 today's date, and my USD account balance is, as you see here, okay, this is the $29. Okay, 27 already received here, and 1 point something already my Perfect Money account balance. In this way, you can successfully withdraw your amount from Wazur International Company account. Okay, thanks.